Akko made a mouse, and it's got 8K polling rate. That's the new industry standard these days for gaming. That means it reports to the CPU 8,000 times per second. That's a lot of times, so you need that for competitive gaming and whatnot. Akko got you covered. It's called the V9 Ultra, or the Dash Ultra. It's a multi-mode gaming mouse. It's got an optical gaming switch, the PAW 3950 sensor. So yeah, here's your Akko V9 Ultra. Akko mouse pad, check it out. Let's get it open, and we'll talk a little bit more about it. On the bottom, we got some speed holes, got some weight reduction, that's cool. Oh, we get stickers, yeah. Oh, and we get skates too for glass mouse pad. In case you guys use glass mouse pad, they included skates for it. Pretty cool. We got a really soft cable here. Very soft, nice and long. That's about 1.8 meter, I'd say. Just eyeballing it. And it even comes with little covers. Well, it looks like we have our little dongle. Got a little dongle for wireless. We will be taking that. Well, this is a Type C to Type A adapter cable. Put this here, and then put this in here, right? And then you put this on your computer, and you put this as close to your mouse pad as possible. And then boom, you got yourself, they gave you all the pieces to make a little extender cable for yourself. That's nice. Okay, we get some glass mouse pad skates. That's actually really nice that they include those, because most people don't include those. And for the price, you can't beat it. Anyways, I'm on my ShamWow arc. And then here's the sides. Even got little stickers for the buttons, for the side buttons. A lot more sticker for like the body. That's, yeah, look, there's a piece for right here, piece for the middle, and for the bottom. So this whole thing is gonna be gripped out. I like that. And then we have some replacements for the current PTFE that's on there. These two pieces in the middle. Sound test time. Just a quick note from Akko on this one. They said that the black one weighs the correct 40 grams and that the white one weighs an extra like 1 to 2 grams. So if you want the mega lightest one, get the black one. Okay, now we're gonna just place the stickers on this bad boy. Let's do it. But look at all the grip. I'll be unstoppable. I'm just gonna like set it down and just, whoa. It's like so smooth. Those big chunky PTFEs are nice. I feel like this is one of those slide tests where I'm just gonna yeet it right off the desk. It is really light. Whoa. Yeah, you can definitely feel the 40 grams. I usually use like a 35 gram mouse, so I know. It's just a little bit heavier than what I use, but I think my limit's like 50 grams when it comes to mice. This is definitely usable. It comes with a lot more like grip tape than most mice. Most like usually comes with like 2 here, some on the side, and then like 1 little thing on the body. But this came with like a bunch, and you can definitely feel it. I guess we'll just do a little spinaroo, see how that feels. Just gonna spin it. Whoa, that was actually really nice. What you don't get when they like cheap out on the PTFE and only give you like a little piece in the corners is when you go for the spin, it's just not as good. But this one's like, whew, that's real nice. Okay, and then we'll go slide it from here to here, see how that feels. What's it called? That stupid curling? That stupid middle-aged dad sport. That's not bad. It's got a little bit of grip actually. I'll put a little more force into that maybe. It stays straight. Like it stays really straight. I like the way that it slides. It actually does. It feels really nice, even though my hand is a bit big for it overall, I'd say. As long as the mouse is light, I really don't care what the shape of it is. It doesn't bother me too much. I really like this thing. Especially the grip. The added grip stickers are actually huge. Like if your mouse comes with grip stickers and you don't put them on, you should go into that box right now and go put those grip stickers on because it definitely helps. I love it. I'll never go back after using grip stickers. So let's talk a little bit more about some specs on this thing. Yeah, apparently they've been working on this mouse. They've been in production or working on it for like 8 years. And it comes with a 2-year warranty, so if anything happens to it, they'll replace it within 2 years. It's 42,000 DPI. Like I said, it's 8K polling rate, 40 to 43 grams weight. Tri-mode connection. It's got dual 8K transfer. It's got 0.125 millisecond latency. So apparently, in addition to the skates that they include for a glass mouse pad, the PAL 3950 sensor in itself has some technology in it that helps with glass mouse pads. So if you're looking for a mouse that's good for glass mouse pads, then that sensor inside the mouse will probably help you the best. It's got a specialized high performance CMOS and advanced algorithms that can detect microscopic textures in the glass. In like clear glass in a way that most other sensors can't do. It kind of helps in that regard. If you use a glass mouse pad and you're like, oh man, this thing is kind of wonky, like what's going on? It could be a sensor issue, so PAL 3950 is good for those. It comes with Pro Esports grade optical micro switches, and those are 150 million click lifespan. For the glide pads, it comes with 3 different ones, I guess. Those are for specific purposes, so these are closest to your default PTFE feel. These white ones are a little more balanced, and you use the gray one for low friction. So if you want, super butter, use the gray ones. Price wise, there's a couple options, but they have one. The pricing ranges anywhere from $45.99 to $59.99. So not bad for a 8K polling rate mouse with a mainstream sensor in it that comes with a bunch of grip stickers. Works really well for glass mouse pads. I mean, you can't really go wrong unless you have like massive hands, and maybe check out some of their other mice. But to me personally, I could still use this. I don't use it like a massive mouse because it's really hard to find a big mouse that is lightweight. So that's pretty much it. I'm just going to take it to my setup, and then we're going to test it out in a game and see how the 8K feels, see if it can keep up with the other mice that I've tested out and stuff like that. So I'll see you there. Okay, here's the mouse. Here is the dongle right here. It just plugged right into a Type-C like I thought. There's the dongle. You could use any USB extender cable if you want. So I think this one's new, so it might not be supported by the software yet. If I can find anything more about it, I'll let you know down in the comments. Anyways, let's get it tested out in a game. Oh, this is my favorite map. Let's go. I think I'm just going to play Groot. I'm playing Groot, guys. I cook with Groot, guys, okay?
Battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, get sectioned off by the Healy's fan. Oh! Oh, the turret's gonna hurt. Eat wall. Eat wall. Oh, I hate these. Oh my god. Yeet, yeet, yeet.
Guardian against Guardian.
You see my wall? Oh, the wall did it.
Double kill.
Oh, what's happening?
Way to go! That vehicle isn't going anywhere. Wow, 4 in a row.
Oh my god, get cooked.
Peter Quill, unstoppable force.
Come through this way, dog. Come through this way, dog. See my walls just putting in work, dude. Oh, they locked in. They locked in. Oh, no. No. Bye. Bye. No. I'm running. I'm running. Let me at her. Let me at her. She's one. Yes. 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 Stop healing. No. 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 Yes. I'm scared to even say anything. I'm scared to even say anything. I just won't say anything at all. You know what? Alt by yourself. I'm going straight for the Jeff. No! I need the Jeff! No. Oh! 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 Jeff, give me Jeff. No. Oh.
Excellent form, dear Mantis.
Why'd I do that? No! Let me out! Yes! Oh my god! Let's go, dude. Yeah, Akko Mouse felt amazing. I don't know what DPI I'm on or what sense I'm on, but I don't think I've ever got a Groot MVP in a real match before. That was kind of insane. Yo, that was my best Groot game ever. This mouse is kind of clean. Yo, 13k damage as Groot is crazy. 27 final hits. Come on. That was beautiful. Smash like, subscribe. Oh my god, dude. I literally just dumpstered on them. Yo, this mouse is legit. Smash like, subscribe for Akko V9 Ultra, Dash Ultra, whatever you want to call it. I love Akko. I have a few, I have quite a few of their products. A couple of them I didn't make videos for. I just bought it for my wife because she really likes how cute some of their stuff is. They got like a bread keyboard and that cute little mouse pad goes along with it. They got a bunch of wrist rests. I don't know. Akko is just really cute. They make a bunch of artsy, cute stuff, but they also make this, you know, high quality, high-end gaming stuff. So, you know, now you know. They make 8K polling rate mice, pretty affordable. So if you want to check it out, definitely highly recommend. If you want to play Groot in Marvel Rivals and play just like this and get 44 kills, you're gonna have to pick up one of these for yourself. Anyways, hope you liked the video. Smash like, subscribe on this, and I'll see you in the next tech review. Peace. Bye.